man, where the fuck you at? Where the fuck you at? Hey, yo. Hold up. Let's keep it real. Hold up, Sam, hold up. Let's keep it real. Where are my getting money niggas at? Put somebody in here. Put a hand in the air. Put them up. Now, hold up. Everybody here getting money. Now, where are my broke niggas at? Where my broke niggas at? That's a broke nigga. Okay, check this out. Now, I'm a real nigga. I'm the dog in the Taylor Lord Grams. I'm a real nigga. This pinky ring here by like 3.5 carats. Platinum ice. Where a broke nigga at? Where is a broke nigga for this platinum ice ring right here? Where's the broke nigga? Let me hear you say make money. Let me hear you say take money. Big man is the winner, man. Big man get this platinum shit. Now let Big man get this, put it on the chain, rock that, throw it, take style, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Give me that shit, Paul. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Now prove it out. Got the nigga do the right.